What's up guys, Jack here from mainblockchain.com. Just wanted to make a quick video to go over how to mine Ravencoin on your Windows 10 PC. It's very, very simple. Just follow these steps with me. The first thing that we're going to want to do is download MSI Afterburner. If you're already familiar with overclocking graphics cards, then you could ignore this part, but I prefer Afterburner just because of its ease of use. There's other software that can overclock your graphics card, but I prefer this one, and this is the one that I'm going to be using in this video. The next thing that we're going to want to download is our Ravencore wallet. So go over to ravencoin.org/wallet. And by the way, I'll leave all these links in the description box below for your reference. We're going to go down to desktop downloads and download the Windows 10 Ravencore wallet. So I already have that downloaded, so I'm not going to do it, but it's very straightforward. You just click the download button, open it up, next, finish, and it will install the wallet. It's going to ask you to download a 8 to 12 word recovery phrase. Click the generate button, copy paste that, or write it down somewhere safe. That's going to be your recovery phrase if anything ever happens to your PC or your Ravencore wallet. The next thing that we're going to want to download, and this is the last download, is the NB miner. So just note that this doesn't work on Google Chrome. If you try to download it on Google Chrome, this happens. It will say it's dangerous, it's blocked, there's no way to override it to my knowledge. So what we're going to want to do is I am just over here on Firefox. Just use a different browser to get around it. So you're going to want to go down to NB miner, the win.zip file, open that on up. So it's not a big download, shouldn't take too long. I'm going to go up here, open up that, and we're not going to open up this folder yet, okay? We're going to need to extract this. So go back to the prior file, go down to the zip file. You can see I have more than one. I'm going to extract all. And then once we're in there, then we can open the folder. And then we can go down to start_rvn.bat, and we're going to right click it and click edit. It's going to open up a text file. You click more info, run anyways. And then it's going to open up this text file. Then you're going to want to get your mining pool address. So where you want to go is rvn.2miners.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and go to, we also have an SSL connection. Press the button to click here. And then you scroll up to settings for NB miner. Copy paste stratum plus TPC, this part of the address. And you're going to go back to your text file, copy paste that on in there, save that down. Don't close the text file just yet because we need our wallet address now. So now we open up Ravencore. We go to the receive tab, click request payment. It's going to bring up your wallet address. You're going to copy that, and you are going to paste that wallet address right here. Now the dot default, you're going to want to leave that there, although you can rename it. This is just going to be the name of your rig. So I'm going to name this upstairs, but you got to leave the dot in there. Make sure to save that down, exit out of it, and then we can go to our folder. Where is it? Here it is. And then we can just left click this and we'll open up the miner. Now we haven't overclocked yet. I'm just going to make sure this works. Allow the private networks and the public networks, allow access. And then it's just going to build a DAG and show us what we can hash at stock overclock settings. It will probably be around 2021 if I had to guess, but we'll be able to get about 31 mega hash out of this and power limit it to make it more efficient for electric. So I'm just testing this out to make sure it works. I know it's going to work, but just to kind of demonstrate it for you guys. Yep, so you can see it hash 21 there. It's starting up the miner, and that will mine directly into our Ravencore wallet, of course. Now we can just exit out of that because we're going to do our overclocks now. So you're going to want to open up MSI Afterburner. Mine probably looks a little different from yours. I just haven't been bothered to update mine yet. And the overclocks that I'm going to use, I'm just using this for the first time, by the way, on my 3070. So I'm going to go over to Red Panda Mining. This guy's a great resource for any cryptocurrency mining. So go over to his video, which is which new GPU is best for Ravencoin mining, assuming you're using a 30 series. If you're using like a 10 series or a 20 series or some type of older graphics card, you might need to do some Google searching in order to find overclock settings that work for you. But I'm going to reference Red Panda's video here, and as you can see, what is he using here? He's power limiting his 3070 at 52% power limit. minus 200 core, and plus 300 mem. So I'm going to go over here and do the same thing. I'm going to upgrade my memory to 1300. He's got minus 200 core. Is that right? Yeah, minus 200 core. There we go. And then he's got a 52% power limit. So let's get it down there. Oh, that's 37. Whoops. All right. And now we got to click the check mark button to save those settings down. So now that they're saved down, you can also put in a save file by clicking the save button. I'm going to save it to 2 just because it will be my, there we go. It'll be my Ravencoin one. This is my Ethereum overclock. These are my Ravencoin. This is my Ravencoin one that I just made, of course. So we're going to save that one down, and then we're going to open up. We'll see if this works. Go back to our NB miner file. And by the way, you can just copy this to your desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the zip file. Here we go. So take this folder. I'm just going to drag it on my desktop. No big deal. And then open it back up. And we're going to left click it again and start it. And hopefully it will hash a little bit better this time. We'll see what it benchmarks at. Just a waiting game right now. Hope you guys are all having a great day. I'm not going to edit this at all. I'm just going to go OBS straight to YouTube. So, oh, share rejected. Uh-oh. Sometimes rejected shares are fine. It just takes a little while for the DAG to catch up and generate everything. Okay, the hash rate's a little bit higher. Not sure if it's totally optimized. I'm going to play around with my overclock settings a little bit to see if I can get that 31 mega hash that we're looking for on this 3070. It varies via Silicon Lottery what your hash rate's going to be. It also varies on the model that you're using. The model of card I got is a Tryptophan 3070. It's a really nice card from Gigabyte. So it's the 8 gigabyte gaming overclock card. So yeah, it looks like it's hashing at about 24. I should be able to get 30 out of that. We'll play around with it. I'll keep you guys posted on that hash rate. But anyways, I hope that you found this video helpful. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the content and want to see more. And I hope to see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.